So I'm going through some of the footage here, and I'm at the ending, which kind of had an interesting story, but I'll tell you that story later on. I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna be like, hey, there's a story, but I'm gonna tell you later on. What a jerk! I'm gonna forget all these stories. But I wanted to set you guys up with something I was gonna do throughout, and you're gonna see little specialty labeled things. I thought it'd be fun to devote little vlog moments, a few minutes, talking about everyone who was part of the film itself. Cast, crew, anyone who contributed, because there's a lot of people that did a lot of work on this. It wasn't just me. It was. I think we had like a team, and I say team, it includes cast and crew, of like 30 or 40 people, just helping out, running around, doing their thing. So and I'll refer to my journal. Oh, so this is my director's journal. It's from Barnes and Noble, but the first entry is all Liquor Day Saints, and it's every day on set. I kept this little journal here. Let's see, it goes about how far? A while. That's Uncharted. That much papella of information. My writing was pretty good back then too, you can see. So I'm gonna decipher it. But I kept track of everything, and I thought it'd be cool to talk about all the people that helped out, cast and crew alike, and just kind of share some memories of that time and my friendship with them, and how I'll never forget those wonderful people. So check it out. Also, I'm gonna put on this playlist all of the old day of updates that we did. Back then, I think I had an iPhone. It was like brand new, relatively new, second generation or something. And I recorded just a quick, here's a day of update. I think we called it day of update to what was happening on set. So you can see some of that. I had some of the cast and crew talking about that. I think it's still on here, YouTube. So if I can find them all, I'm going to put them on the playlist so y'all can watch it. But so stay tuned. Lots of fun stories coming. But I'm going to do individual episodes for cast and crew. All right?